Welcome back to Subconscious World. Today, we want to dive into the incredible power of visualization and how it can help you manifest your dreams. You've probably heard the saying, seeing is believing, and that's exactly what we're talking about here. Through visualization, you can train your subconscious mind to turn your desires into reality. So what exactly is visualization? It's the practice of creating a vivid mental image of your desired outcome. When you visualize, you not only imagine yourself achieving your goals, but you also feel the emotions and experience every detail. It's not just daydreaming, it's focused and intentional. Here's the fascinating part. Our subconscious mind can't distinguish between real experiences and vividly imagined ones. This means that when you regularly practice visualization, your mind starts to believe that you already have what you desire, and this belief makes it easier for you to manifest it. Now let's talk about the steps to visualize effectively. First, you need to have a specific goal in mind. Make sure it's something you truly want. The more specific you are, whether it's landing your dream job, finding financial success, or experiencing a fulfilling relationship, the easier it is for your mind to create a clear mental image. Secondly, find a quiet and comfortable place where you can sit without distractions. Close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and allow yourself to relax. This will help quiet your mind and connect with your inner self. Next, start picturing yourself achieving your goal. Imagine every detail, the sights, sounds, and feelings. Visualize as if it's happening right now in the present moment. For example, if your goal is to land your dream job, imagine yourself in the office, feel the excitement, and experience the sense of accomplishment. Make your visualization as vivid as possible. Engage all 5 of your senses. If you can, think about what you would see, hear, smell, taste, and touch in that moment. The more realistic you make it, the stronger the message you're sending to your subconscious mind. Lastly, emotions are the secret sauce to powerful visualization. Feel the joy, gratitude, excitement, or relief, as if you've already achieved what you want. Emotions create energy that resonates with the universe, attracting your desires faster. Visualization is a practice, so consistency is key. Set aside a few minutes every day to visualize your goals, whether it's in the morning or before you go to bed. The more you practice, the more your subconscious mind will accept your desired outcome as your reality. So there you have it. By following these steps, you're training your subconscious mind to help you achieve your goals. Give it a try and share your experiences with me in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on unlocking the power of your subconscious mind. Thank you for tuning in to Subconscious World. Until next time, keep visualizing and manifesting your dreams.